high bays. High bay light, they are big, they are bright, and they are built to last. But with so many high bays on the market, how do you know which one is right for your space? Hi, I'm Steve. I'm from Honor Lighting, a light manufacturing company based in China. I'm here to help. In front of me, I have 3 types of LED UFO high bay light. These lights are perfect for any place with a high ceiling where you need strong brightening. All of them have an IP65 rating, which means they are dustproof and waterproof, so they can work well outdoors or in humid areas. This is 150 high bay, great for places like gas station with a ceiling around 14 feet high. Here, you have a 200 watt high bay, works well in gymnasium or areas around 18 feet high. Here, you have a big one, 240 watt high bay, best for very high ceilings and large spaces. All models are LED, energy saving and dimmable, so they work efficiently in many different environments. Some models also come with built-in motion sensor and light sensor. Depending on what your client wants, you can make them for you. Example, imagine I-35 in a warehouse when nobody works there often. With a motion sensor, the eye stays dark until someone enters. When the movement is detected, the light turns on automatically. This light can be installed in different ways: the eyebolt mount and the J-hook mount. Both are easy to use and work well with chains or cables. There are also reflector accessories. This helps focus on light into a narrower beam and gives the light a different look. Well, this depends on what your client wants. Every type of high bay has its own strength, just like a good tools in your toolbox. If you have any questions, feel free to contact our customer service team or contact me directly. I will be happy to help. See you next time.